So look, I just got rid of all my levels. Look, trying to bounce. So look, now even that dumbass YOLO bearish overnight swing I took is in the green decent. Printing. And I also grabbed more puts up here. I was already down from the stupid YOLO, but I believed in my thesis and my plan and overall common sense. So I didn't freak out and rush to close the position out, especially when I'm already down hundreds of dollars. Instead, I doubled down on my thesis and grabbed more puts up here once I seen that, because look at this. Look at the, hold on, let me show you something. Look at this. Off of negative news, negative catalysts, we're gapping up and running up and running up, gapping up and running up after hours. I don't know about you, but that does not make sense. So that's why I didn't freak out and get out of the position, even though I was down several $100. All right, about $500. But even though I was down, I obviously, because I don't want to realize that loss, first and foremost, I didn't rush off the open to close it. And secondly, I'm still believing in my overall thesis, sticking to my plan. So that's why I didn't close it. But now look, we're trying to bounce a little bit here. But what's this, the 10 minute? Oh, let's go back over here to 2 minutes. Yeah, we're trying to bounce. Now, I mean, what I should do is look at the daily chart and see what the level this is. Excuse my French. I'll go ahead and cut that out. So look, what was that? 57.50. Let's look at the daily chart. So 57.50 is right here where we're basing at, like right around here. So that's why we bounced off that level. And I should be watching my position, but I'm trying to like get some levels off the daily, like real levels, when I really should be watching my position. Because look, there's some bouncing coming in the market. Nvidia is trying to bounce. The Qs are bouncing. Apple's trying to bounce. And also the SPY bounced. And it reclaimed that 120. I should be watching my damn position, but I need to get some levels really quick so I can know where the real levels are and where the real price targets are at, and or the best risk to reward is. See this thing bouncing? This is not what I want to see. But again, no matter like if your thesis is bullish or bearish, you don't want to see, even though the price action is, look at those red prints and white prints, red. Even though the price action is going in your direction, you do not want to see it go straight up or straight down. Because again, what goes up must come down. So you want to see it move in your direction, but you want to see it do that some type of moderation. Like I'm saying, you know, putting in higher lows and or, you know, lower lows depending on your thesis. So again, that 57.50, this is a strong level off the daily, right? And then this is a strong level off the daily as well. We're going to say about right here. All right, so now we're cracking this level off the daily, that 57.50. And this is a 5-minute chart. Yeah, so now we're cracking that level off the daily, that 57.50. We've cracked it, but there's still a wick down here. So what we'd want to see is the crack below this wick right here, so we can free fall down to the next daily level. All right, New candle opened up and based right there where this one closed and based right here where this wick is. And now we cracked it. Noticed all those red prints you seen? See all those red prints? And now we got the Qs cracked. I mean, past everything. VWAP, the 120, the 9, and the 10. As you can see right here. All right? So that is an elevating factor towards my thesis. All right? Now, the SPY also cracked VWAP, cracked the 9, the 10, and the 120. Another elevating factor which validates my thesis to the downside.